Hi pre-K friends, so it's Miss Lafond and I am here near my house going on a nature walk on one of the preserves that I have near my house. But let's listen. What did you hear? I'm wondering what kind of bird that is. But there's so many fascinating things here on this path. And right behind me, you can see the path that I'm following. It's a yellow path. They have it color coordinated. But I just ran into these logs. I have to flip the camera so you can see. Whoops, it's not allowing me to flip. But let me show you. Let's see, where is it? Oh, there it is. Do you see that? That is moss growing on the logs. I thought it was pretty cool. I wonder what else I'm going to find on my little walking adventure. We'll have to wait and see. I hope you're getting outside, getting some fresh air, vitamin D from the sun. It's a little brisk today, but it's not bad. Feels good to be outside in nature. All right, pre-K friends. I'll check in with you shortly. Okay, I am climbing up this pretty steep hill. I have two choices. I can go to the right or I can go to the left. But I'm seeing here on the left a marker on this tree. So there's yellow and green paint on the tree, so I'm going to continue following the yellow path. Almost like the yellow brick road. That's what it reminds me of. All right, I gotta keep going. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Just a little stream. So pretty. I hope you like this. It's so peaceful. Okay, pre-K friends, as I'm walking, I see this tree. Look at that. I don't know if an animal lives in there. It's kind of deep enough for them to make a little home, right? And to have shelter when it rains and snows. We have to make some predictions if there is an animal that lives under there. Or maybe the fairies live there. We never know. Maybe you can make up a story about fairies living in the trees. All right, continuing on with my walk. Okay, pre-Kers, I have to tell you, I feel like I'm going on a bear hunt. And the part of the bear hunt is where we come up upon the lake, because I have a barrier. Ah! How am I going to get across that? I can't go over it. I can't go under it. And I'm definitely not going to go through it. No, no, no. Ooh, let's see. I'm going to have to go around it. Let's see if I can find a place to go around. Oh, I see a little bridge, but it looks a little unsteady. Should I try it? Should I try crossing it? I'm going to try. But I have to put my phone away because I need to balance my body. So I'll check in shortly. Okay, I just discovered something new. Look at this log. You ready? Let's see. Wow! I wonder what's inside of it. Ooh. But that log, that must have fallen down a while back, and now it's starting to decay and rot. And after some time, that log is going to turn into soil and become part of the earth again. It's kind of like a cycle. There's a story on that. I'm going to have to find it. But I want you to take a quick peek inside. I hope I line it up okay for you. Oh, I see a whole bunch of acorns right here. So that's letting me know a squirrel was probably sitting there in shelter, away from the weather, having some acorns for dinner. Those cute squirrels. They know how to survive out in nature. All right, continuing on my walk. I ended up on the green path. Don't know how that happened because I was on the yellow, but I'm going to keep going. So as I was walking, I came upon this rock wall. Do you see how it goes all the way down? And then it even cuts across over here. See that stone wall? Back a long time ago, way before Mrs. Lafond was born, they used to build rock walls like this to divide property lines. So they didn't have to use fences, but they did build these rock walls. Pretty cool, huh? What do you think it is? Are you ready to find out what it is? Did you make your predictions? Tell me, what are your predictions? What do you think that sound is? It's definitely water. All right, you ready to see it? Isn't that so peaceful? Huh? It is so peaceful. Okay, pre-K friends. Whew, that was a great walk out in nature. So I know I'm back on the yellow path finally, and I'm going to cross that bridge, and I will be back to my truck in a few minutes. So I hope you are having a wonderful day. I hope you're getting some time outside. And right now there's nobody here, but just nature, the birds, insects, maybe some animals that are hiding. But it's so beautiful. The fresh air feels good. And I love you and can't wait to see all of you soon, okay? Bye, friends.